Well, it's 12:30 in the morning. We're headed on another road trip, and we'll see what we bring back. About a 6-hour drive there. Then we got about another hour drive going to Iowa. Then coming back, going to loop around Wisconsin, pick up something in northern Illinois, and that'll be it. Let's roll. There was a 430 garden tractor. About the middle of Iowa. Newton, Iowa. God's country. Take back roads and travel all over the world. I mean back roads. We got gravel and dirt making the storm. Well, here's a 68 140, and I don't know the year on the 112, but these are two of the loaders I picked up. There's another 140 H3 that had a 54C blade. My dad's running it around doing the driveway right now. But just a quick look on these, and I'll do individual videos. That's the original 3-point, homemade rear weights. Cylinders leak on this 140, but we'll get all them fixed up. Then I think this is like a 68 112 too. It has a weird steering, has a 68 steering wheel, that's why I say that. Different hydraulic valve and correct ones down there. Comes the engine. Pretty cool. There's a tack on it, and then somebody put inner and rear lead weights on it. But there's your comparison on the height difference on a quick way versus a Johnson. It's 140 slowly leaking down. Maxed out, that's your height difference. So there you go. I'll do individual videos here next. This is just the trip video, and I'll get that 140 with the center blade on here. So it's a 74, very late 74. It's like a 59,000. Has a 54C blade on it. It has the tri-ribs in the front. Has a little chrome extension of the muffler there. The 54C is very, very nice. It's original tag still on it. It was bought new, Potosi, Wisconsin. Upgraded 26 12 back tires with the 2-notch 50-pound weights. We got a homemade hitch in the back. Got the aftermarket seat was put on. I might switch that out. But with the other two loaders and this, it was worth the trip to make up there. Has the headlights. Runs as it should. I already did my driveway with it. This thing freaking works sweet. I don't use my patio 54C just because I don't want to get it dirty, you know. So fired up. But that's a wrap for the Iowa load this weekend. So stay tuned for some more videos.